Hello, welcome to my Sunday from. I'm opening a few packages that I got from the weekend orders. So I have this soup. It's pumpkin flavored soup. This is something that I wanted to try for a while now. So I bought it, and I bought this one specifically because like they said that this one doesn't need anything. You just follow the directions, and it's pretty simple. So like it has everything in it. The next one, so pretty sure there's barely anything in it. So all there is in here is a panettone. It's just a chocolate panettone. These are like $1.50. And then last but not least, I have this box right here, and it's pretty heavy, pretty full. So in here I have some cream cheese frosting. Then I have my cookies. I eat these Maria's cookies all the time because they're like $1 and they're not very sweet, so they're not that hard on my teeth, and that's why I like them, because like it's like my sweet treat. Then I have these plantain chips. Sometimes I eat dried bananas, like dehydrated bananas and like trail mix, but these are plantain chips. They're just like regular chips, but they're like made out of literally plantains, which are not bananas. Usually you bake them or cook them in like a sweet syrup or something, but these are made to be eaten like chips. So here I have pizza crust. This pizza crust is just like $1 pizza crust. I think it's less than $2, definitely, but I bought it to make stuff with them. But it's just add water, so it's pretty basic. It's not like hard to work with, like yeast and stuff. You just add water. It's pretty easy and no math involved. So that's why I got that. And then let's see, I have some canned items. I have this baked potato with steak and cheese. Sounds delicious. I also bought a cream of potato. So this is like something that you mix with like cheese. You can mix this with cheddar soup or cream of broccoli soup or what have you, and it makes a really good hearty soup, like chowder or something. This is good to add to that, or even like a beef stew or something. Then I have peas, just plain and simple, regular kind of peas. And then I have a little can of gravy. This is chicken gravy. So I wanted chicken flavored gravy, and this is what I ended up with. So then I bought this again. This is Japanese curry mix. This is medium hot curry. This is Asian style curry. So I just bought this again. I was really curious about the buldak, but this was $3. It was like 2 something, less than 3. So I went ahead and just got this. And then here I have cranberry cherry. So this is really healthy. This is like cranberry, which is good for your health, and cherry is really good for your health too. These take out the toxins in your body, and I think together it's a really good mix. So with only 5 calories, I thought that was it was a pretty good deal, you know, as far as I'm concerned. So the first thing I have here is a dress, and I had showed you guys 2 other colors of this dress. I believe it was lavender and black, and I thought that they were really cute dresses because they're just tank dresses, and you can just slip them on over a swimsuit, or slip them on and go to the store, or you can wear them around the house or the yard or what have you. They're really cute. They're just casual little tank dresses, and they're really stretchy, and they have a really pretty good length, I think. But they're in the bodycon section, so I'm not sure how you guys feel about that, but they're really cute, and just really something simple and basic to wear. And so I like that one. That one's like almost like a lime olive type color. So the next thing I got are these supplements. I got a 2-pack for, this was like $10. So for me, this is really good. This is pine nut oil. I don't believe they have it in English. Let me see. Oh, it says right here, Siberian pine nut oil with pine resin by Siberian Green. So the name of the company is Siberian Green, and this is pine nut oil, and it's like Siberian pine nut oil, like branded, like that's where, you know, like I guess these type of supplements are from. And I didn't really hear of them from anywhere else, but these are not imported from Siberia. It's just like, you know, like kind of makes it sound like it's a better quality. So I was happy with getting 2. And then here I have this is Color Nymph. It is like a compact makeup kit. So I'm gonna open that at another time, but this is what I ordered. It comes in a cute little green box. This is so cute, and I can't wait to open it. Maybe I'll do a video on it, and we'll probably try a lookout too. So watch out for that video. Okay. This is cereal bars. These are Happy Belly, Amazon's one of their food brands. And here I have just a cereal bar of fruit and grain. It's got strawberry inside of it, and on the outside is just whole grains. So like, it's pretty healthy, I think. Let's see how many calories it has. 140 per bar. So that's pretty good. It's a good snack, or, you know, part of your breakfast or whatever. I just want to give it a try. So that's the berries. It looks really good and delicious. I've tried these before. So I'm not sure. I don't really remember what these taste like. Let me see. Yeah, these are good. They're almost like a cross between a donut filling and jam. So that's a pretty good deal. Like, you can see it. It looks like donut filling. And it's pretty sweet. Like, it's not like really sweet. And I like the grain, like the pastry. I like the pastry because like it just kind of gives it like you're actually eating like some type of little treat rather than eating healthy. So the next two are just the next one that I have is pine bark extract. This one is like mostly because like I get like not like a headache, but like kind of like eye pressure, and I take this pine bark extract. Pine bark extract, you probably are wondering what's the difference. Well, these are not. These are both derived from a pine, but as you can see, this is taken from an actual little nut inside of these pine cones, and the bark of the tree is what these are. So you can people cook with this and cook with this, but it's rare. And of course you eat pine nuts and pesto, so you kind of already know what this is. But this is just the bark, and it's really good for that issue. Next, I got my favorite mouthwash. It's just anti-cavity mouthwash, and it's a peroxide based one. So this one removes stains and prevents cavities, and it's like the one that I really like right now because like it kind of cleans really good and kind of doesn't, you know, have like a chemical flavor. These are like really really pretty crystal letters. These are cake toppers. So that's what I got, a cake topper, but it only came with one, and I thought I was getting the set. So I'm gonna have to order some more cake toppers. I hope you guys liked my video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon on my Sunday front. Bye-bye.